Coming to this whole experience has been nothing short of life-changing for me. I've been teaching in the Bay Area from a hip-hop perspective for over 15 years. When I met Lonnie Green, he started really putting me up on game in the form of the history and the legacy of the Bay Area. When I linked up with Judith, a handful of players, she was open to say, well, we can hire you to write a play about its history. Put your hands together for Rosa Parks Elementary.
This is a story about a Frisco Kid. He was born with something called dyslexia. What is dyslexia? It's when you're trying to read or write and the letters get all mixed up. What do you mean? There might be a C, but you say B. What is A, B, C? G, O, I, C. To understand me, you have to understand Grandma. Her and my mama came from Louisiana. I danced with my aunts, Uncle Stone guitar, talked to me like my daddy. He was a superstar.
He left around the time when he came down from heaven to St. Mary's Hospital in 1967.
He was locked down in Hong Kong. People felt good. Black car taught Lonnie Green his first lesson. I heard someone speaking on the TV screen. He called him the king because he had a dream. It made me want to lead and fight for people's rights. But how can I lead if I can't read or write? Boys and girls, we have listeners on the stage. Please help me by welcoming Lonnie Green.
Where I come from, I'm king of the hill. I'm a hand-blown champion. I'm bringing the skill.
So you think you're talented? Maybe you are. Just know in Fillmore, everybody's a star. For us supposed to read at a 5th grade level. If you can't do that, maybe you are special. We gotta.
You can laugh all you want. I was president for my life.
See you at the talent show if you're that cool. Lonnie Green says he's the best, but he has to guess on every test.
I know I'm blessed now. You can never rest. I came here as a guest, but now I'm on the play.
I'm Dr. Bunk, and I'm overjoyed to introduce Rene and the Robotroid.
She's here.